Beginner strategy. Manage the pending order while you wait for your trade. In our buying chart, a new down fractal has formed. We can modify our stop-loss order to the tip of that down fractal while we are waiting for our pending entry order to be hit by the price. Our new stop-loss is 1.26694. Now let's go back to our sell trade to manage the pending order. A potential new up fractal has appeared on the chart, but remember, we must have two candles closed on the right-hand side of the fractal for the fractal to be valid and for us to modify our stop-loss level. We can bring the order box up by right-clicking on our order in the trade terminal and then selecting Modify Order. We can place the new stop-loss level into the platform before the new fractal forms and then click the Modify button when the fractal forms. Taking our horizontal line and placing it on the tip of the forming up fractal, we can see that the level is 0.94084. This will be our potential new stop-loss level if the up fractal completes. In the stop-loss box, enter 0.94084. The second candle has now closed, and we have a fully formed up fractal. We can now click the Modify button on our order platform, changing our stop-loss level. You can see the new stop-loss level on the chart indicated by the red line. We now have a potential new down fractal forming on the chart, but we need to wait for two candles to close on the right-hand side of the fractal for it to be valid before we can look to modify our entry order. Taking a horizontal line, we can see that the potential new entry level would be 0.94004. Now that we have a newly formed down fractal, we want to modify our entry level to the new price. If we go to the trade terminal and right-click on our pending order and select Modify Order, the order box will pop up. Enter the new level that we want to sell, which is 0.94004. Remember, we want to subtract 1 pip to avoid a false breakout. So our new sell stop order will be 0.93994. Click Modify on the order platform. You can see the new sell entry on the chart shown by the green line. Our stop loss remains the same, set at the tip of the most recent up fractal, the red line. And our take profit level is still at the same pivot point, also shown on our chart by a red line. Once again, a new up fractal has now completed, and we need to modify our stop loss level to the tip of the up fractal. Right-click on the pending order and select Modify Order. The order box will pop up on your screen. In the stop-loss window, enter the new stop-loss value. The tip of the new up fractal is 0.9089. Click the Modify button. You can see the new stop-loss level at the tip of the up fractal, shown by the red line. Our sell order has now been filled by the market. You can see the order gets automatically placed when the price hits the level we entered. Notice the entry, stop loss and take profit levels on the chart and the profit loss shown in the pips in the trade terminal.